Howdy, howdy, howdy. This is Patrick, 123. Ooh, shit is it cold. God damn. Holy fuck. Ooh, it's hot as shit. God damn. Oh, don't need to worry about dropping the soap here. No one's gonna fuck me in the ass. Whoa. Okay, this is like one of the most euphoric things I've ever done in my life. It is absolutely freezing if you are not underneath the sprouting geyser hot spring from the center of the earth or wherever you're from, geyser. But I love you, I love you. Ooh. I can kind of compare the feeling. To when you get out of the shower at home and it's like maybe 60 degrees. Kind of the same feeling. Oh, she's squirting here outside. This is fucking wild, man. This is totally insanely wild. Alright, conditioner time, motherfuckers. Oh, my feet on the ground hurt so bad. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh. Well, now I gotta try to stay warm while the conditions. Now, this might be the only place that it's okay to get soap in your eyes. I mean, this is fucking wild. This is just insane. So, you gotta do one thing in life, it's take a shower. If you gotta do one thing in life, it's take a shower in Iceland. Ooh, the conditioner's conditioning my head. Now, I mean, I saw pictures of people in bathing suits. You don't fucking take a shower in a bathing suit, you know what I mean? You take a shower as a goddamn couple, and no cars are even passing, so... Well, let's get the conditioner out. Oh my God. Oh. Ow, ow, ow. Ooh. Imagine all the different feet that have been on this mat. Well, this hotel shampoo from Kenton MD. Oh no, it's a dermatologist hair care approved shampoo. Thanks, Mom. Ooh. Oh, it's so fucking cold with the wind, but it's so amazing under the water. Ooh. Oh. Oh, it's fucking cold, man. Sunday fun day. Oh, it's so cold. Holy shit. I kind of wish a car would pass by. You know what I mean? I guess Icelandic people are short because I almost max out at this shower head. And I'm only 5'10". Wow. That was insane. That was insane. No other way to put it. That was awesome as fuck. Oh, this is awesome as fuck. Alright, I guess I should take like an Instagram video or something. Oh, my foot hurts like a bitch. Oh. My shower over all yours in the entire world.
No one likes you. Everybody likes my video, okay? Everybody. I'm the most lovable person. Yeah. See, that is your downfall. नहीं था ना हमारा अंदर पानी नहीं जाता directly on this grind fall off.
Difficult places.
Yeah.
The hotel stuff, love it when we come, you know, with us.
Dirty shoes, yeah.